In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a CoinMarketCap account. So if this will help you, be sure to subscribe. So open up the legit website, coinmarketcap.com or the app. And then we simply use the top right corner, click on login. And then click on here, sign up. Then you can select if you want to continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with Binance or with Wallet. You can now just enter your email address and stuff like that. So I'll get back to you once I put in my email address and details. So here I'm gonna put my email address and password. So if you want to, you can turn this on or off if you want to get updated by email with the latest crypto news. It's completely fine if you don't want it. And by proceeding, you agree to CoinMarketCap's terms of use and privacy policy. So just click on create an account. Now you need to select the images of a bicycle or a different object. It's going to just make sure to verify you and click on verify. And now I need to verify my email, so you can click on enter verification code, go to your email, and just copy the email. I'm gonna copy it, so it should look something like this, and just paste it in. And now you can click on next step. You can follow them, they will blah blah blah. You can track all of your crypto bags in one place, earn diamonds to get rewards and stuff like that. So here you can upload an image and add a name, so like John232, and now I've created my account. So I hope this will help you. Have a fantastic day. Subscribe.